Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Oh, check out that. Out with both my sons, Scott and Kevin, on some trails. It's pretty cool trails out in here too. I mean, really cool. I like it.
Yeah, it's really nice. A lot of variety. It's really nice in
Yeah,
general.
it looks like there's even some spots that would probably be some really good challenges if you want them, and easy stuff. Ugly third grader trails and all. I mean,
Yep.
cow tracks, deer tracks, and dual sport tracks.
There's a cow right there.
Who's Kevin?
No.
Oh.
Kevin's just staying close. He's making sure not to lose me so I can see when he does his Cordova backflip.
Yeah.
Show off. Yeah, he wants to make sure it's on video.
Backflip, bike flip gainer.
You don't want to get too close behind him when he goes over those little hills there.
Yeah, get a rock in the ear.
You get roost. Been there and done that. Well, I think that's his. Gardner Canyon, 4 miles. I guess we'll go take a right. Go toward Gardner Canyon. And then we'll come back out the other way. Ooh, I missed the trail. I'm into the trees.
What the heck did you do?
I don't know. I kind of got off the trail there and...
A good clip. He's literally all the way off the trail in the tree.
I mean, in the tree.
What the heck?
Ugh. Well, I hit a rock and it turned my front tire and I throttled it when I didn't want to. And
good thing you weren't on a mountainside.
Yeah. Instead of off in a canyon.
Oh, I think that's the same trail that come up.
It is. It's just a little cut through. Looks like it must have been too steep for somebody and they went around it. I don't know. This is more like Arkansas, Missouri trails.
Yeah, I was about to say, this reminds me of Chadwick or something.
Yeah. It's different than the Arizona stuff we've been in.
Whoa, what the heck is all this?
Which is the actual trail?
Yeah.
Find out today.
Not going up that one. That one looks like it might get rough.
They're just all over right there.
Yeah.
Different options.
Oh, there's a mine right there.
Oh, really? Can you go in it? Oh, wow, we gotta look at this. We gotta look at this one, Kevin.
Oh, crap. Hold on. Let me turn around down here.
There's
all kinds of trails of spider web off. There's something else down here, too. I think it's another mine.
I wonder where I got this tree limb on my arm at. Like I went off in the brush or something. Oh yeah, this used to be a pretty good setup for them to pour all this cement out here like this. Oh, you can't go inside it anyway.
Water?
Huh? Well, it probably got water in it too. No?
Oh, they barred it off.
They barred that dude off.
Holy cow.
I mean, well, you can't go in it.
Probably people getting hurt.
You could probably pull that out, can't you? No?
Maybe if I eat some spinach first.
Yeah, can't go nowhere. Oh well, it was worth the thought. Worth thinking about.
Yep. They didn't want a nutty putty cave incident.
Probably not. I'm not brave enough to go in one too much like that. I'm not going to go in one where you're crawling on your belly through these cracks. No, I'm not into that.
So many little turnoffs here. Does that go right back to where we were? I mean, it must,
I
right?
think so.
It's
Is this,
right there.
Is this not good, Kevin, or what?
Look at that.
One.
If it wasn't, I would have said so.
Oh, wow. That's like a thing coming out of a cave or something. That pipe, maybe. It's a vent.
Yeah.
Keep her rolling. These trails just go like all over the place. It's crazy. This is a fun play spot here.
Yeah.
And not too far from home. I'm splattering the cow patties under my fenders.
Yeah.
Look at these ruts.
Holy cow.
Yeah, when that's wet, I don't know if I'd want to try that dude. That'd be a muddy, slick mess up this dude.
Yeah, it would. Stay to the left.
Stay left. Yep. I definitely agree with you.
Hey, look again. Oh, shit. A little bit rough now.
Yeah, okay. I don't know about this.
Does it get worse, Kevin?
It's not that bad. I mean, there's a good line. There's a couple of good lines through it. It looks like a rocky mess, and it is. But
And I'm thinking about going back down this.
We're not going back. We're almost to the end of this road. We go left back out of here.
Oh, does it go back to the exit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just keep momentum. Just keep rolling.
and stay on the edges where there's like flat.
Yeah.
It is a rocky mess, huh? That wasn't bad.
That wasn't nearly as bad as it looks.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
I mean, it's
Once you start going up it, you can see all the blank spots in it.
steep and rocky,
Yeah.
but there's plenty of spots to stay off the rocks, too.
Yeah, that's the good
exactly.
part.
Yeah, you get good traction. Well, now this is rocky. Of course, I don't
My
mind
God.
rocky and flat. Ain't so bad, but goodness gracious. That's where you need a skid plate on your bike.
I'm looking to buy a couple new tires after that one.
Golly. Well, we ain't even touched but a couple of these trails out here. Out of all that spider web of mess of trails, we ain't even touched nothing out here yet. Okay guys, gonna end this video here. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We got more of these adventures coming up. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.